Here we are, update on my Glock 48 I'm putting together. It's funny how I was telling the guy, in case y'all didn't see that video, I'm trying to stop buying new guns and just put money back in the Glocks I have, or not necessarily Glocks, but guns I have. Start putting money back in them because I be stripping them, and new gun comes in, I'm gonna put all the money on the new gun, and then neglect the old guns, yada yada yada. He says, why don't you just leave them alone? I mean, stop doing anything to any of them. I said, so I had to ask him. I said, you want to stay friends or what? Are we friends or not friends? You don't want to be a friend? You're supposed to support this stupid shit I do, right? That's how I see it. This got a little dirty. I gotta clean all this mess out. That's from actually buffing it. But that's the look I'm going for. It's like a battle worn look. Chimney trigger. Handle it grip. I might take that one off since I got that on my carry. I might stipple this one. I'm not sure yet. I get my shield mags, fuck that 10 round shit. Get my shield mag, put a red dot on there. And I gotta learn to like factory barrels, but I don't. One thing, they just so plain. I mean, I polished it up, but it's so plain. And then I'm not too fond of barrels that stick out either. I mean, I could deal with it. They got some nice little sexy cuts on it. I don't know, weird. But this trigger, I don't know if y'all know about Timothy trigger, but Timothy trigger is amazing. Takes all that pre-mush out. Let's take a look at it. Hold on. Let me try it this way. So get down there where y'all can see it. Nice. It takes all that mush out. All that as far as you go right there. So there you go. If I knew I was going to do that, I would set this camera up a little better, but we're going with it. Again, it's got polish and cream all in it. Was going to go all chrome. I said, nah, I did that. Let me do the battle worn thing. I had a 19 like that. Let me try that. Something different. I don't know. I like the experiment. Might end up sending it out, getting it cut, and redo the whole thing anyway. But that's where I'm at right now. Shield arms, magwell, shield arms, mag release. It's a Tyrant, ink, slide release. That's it. Chimney, polished, factory barrel. That's where I'm at right now. I think my next step is probably a shield mags or a red dot. And this is it's the MOS slide, but it's not the MOS frame. So I can't even put a light on it. I don't like that big light that goes over the trigger guard. I don't like that. I tried that, but I didn't like it. And then I had tried the one with the adapter sits here, but your light's way down here. Yeah, I didn't like that either. I actually threw that away. So that's all I got. Yeah, make your comments. Holler.